Welcome to the class. Today's topic: components of food. In the previous class, I have given the topic of sixth class of first chapter, food. Where does it come? This is the second chapter of the science book of 6th standard, components of food. So today I will briefly discuss about the components of food. Before going to discuss about this topic, I want to remember you that food is a mixture of different kinds of substances. It may be either plants or the products of animals. Combined manufactured products of animals and both plants. So one of the most important things I studied you ingredients. Ingredients is the main composition that is available at the food. So ingredients for the food is a chemically compound substance. It is not a single substance. So in the ingredients there will be some amounts, some materials. So in the ingredients there will be some components, and that components are very essential of the needed for the development of the human body. That is the most important thing is nutrient. What is nutrient? Nutrients. So this is the compound. These nutrients can be found with the ingredients. Nutrients can be classified into various manners. For an example, before that, I want to say nutrients means actually biomolecules. What is that? Biomolecules. We know bio means life. Life of actually we are discussing the human beings. So human beings body is a composition or the complex of the nutrient of the molecules. So actually this is the biological term, it's the biomolecules. So first group can be called measure nutrients in our food. Second, I will teach you so number one is carbohydrate. Here is carbohydrate. So you know, dear students, what is the carbohydrate? We are daily eating different kinds of foods. Either it is a solid form, liquid form, or fluid form. So carbohydrate mix is an important ingredients that belongs to nutrient that is actually nothing but it is in the form of starch. In the form of starch, or we also generally know it is also a sugar. What is that? Sugar. So can you give an example? I will give an example of carbohydrates. Just for 1 second. Example is glucose. Do you know what is the chemical formula of glucose? Let's look at the board. This is C6H12O6. C6H12O6 is the chemical formula of glucose. So, second example I want to give you, that is, second example is ribose. Ribose. So, can you remember what will be the chemical formula for ribose? It is just like this: C5H10O5. So, carbohydrates mainly in the form of starch and sugar, and I have only given two examples. One is glucose, other is ribose. Glucose, it is in the form of C6H12O6, and ribose, it will be the form of C5H10O5. So, second, our topic is protein. So, let's know what is the protein. Actually, now I am giving these notes. These are very, very important because these are the basic concepts of the food components. If you don't know the basic things, that will be an inconvenience to know these things. So, second thing is protein. So, what will be the protein definition? Every day we are eating different kinds of food. Do we imagine what is the function of these things? Why we need protein? What is the protein? What is the differentiation from protein to carbohydrate, fats, vitamins? So, proteins as nothing one are proteins actually a polypeptide chain. Polypeptide bond. Actually, protein are linear chain of polypeptide bond. This is the biological definitions of the proteins, because proteins we know it is a biomolecules. It is a necessary. It has a lot of functions. I will give you in the next lecture. Proteins means polypeptide chain. Polypeptide, linear chain of polypeptide bond. So, can you give some example of polypeptide proteins? I will give some example of protein. Number one, collagen. This is the protein. It is very, very abundant in the environment. Collagen. Second number, example of the polypeptide bond of protein is rubisco. So, B will be capital letter. Rubisco. It is the most abundant in the universe. Whole universe. So, try to understand the definitions. Proteins, carbohydrate means in the form of starch or sugar, but proteins actually linear chain of polypeptide bond. Two most important examples, collagen and rubisco. This is also abundant in nature, but whole universe is rubisco is found. Next, our discussions will be, this is a very common. Last one is very funny. Ingredients of food, because 78% of the people knows about this ingredient, that is fat. But fats actually will be different from the other ingredients of the components of the food. Why? compare to other components of food, because fats actually a fatty acid. What? Fatty acid. So fatty acid. So we know what is acid. If a solution changes its colors from blue to red, that presence of acids, no, that is the presence of acids. And there are also one definition. It is a taste is sour taste. This is not sour. So actually, if you want to understand in the form of fatty acids, actually we have to understand that fatty acid from fat. That is a very fat can be classified into various groups. Classification we will go. I will give you on the next parts. Now I will understand what is fatty acid. Actually, fatty acid is nothing but this is the number of double bonds of carbon atom. You know carbon atom carbon C6H12. Carbon. Actually, you know what is carbon? Carbon actually bond formation actually covalent. You will study this one in your 10th class, I think so, 9 to 10. Covalent. So carbon, double bond, fatty acids, fats, not a double bond. It is a double bond of carbon C6H2. Here is the atomic number Z equal to 6, A equal to 12. Carbon. So this is a briefly summarized. Fats can be classified into saturated and unsaturated. That will be taken into the next class. For our day-to-day life, I will give an example. Oil. Oil is a fat. Because a patch a liquid of patch, a liquid of patch, oil, liquid, and that was also cholesterol, lipids, lipids also group of fat, because fats plus oil it gives lipids. So this we will discuss in the next class. Next, components of the food, you know, vitamins, very important. So vitamins, when we are, suppose I'm a student, so the whole universe, human beings are suffering due to lot of deficiency of diseases. You know, because students or any disease persons not taking them proper care, either they are not eating balanced diet food, that I will discuss in the next section, and due to the insufficient amount of vitamins, minerals, proteins, there will be different kinds of disease. So vitamins plays major role for the human beings, because vitamins need for our growth of our body. There's a different kinds of vitamins, A, B, C, and each vitamins have different functions. So what will be the correct definition of vitamins? Vitamins, I give you according to the biological point of view, one of the most accurate definitions I thought it will be vitamins are organic, vitamins are substances are organic, organic substance, organic substances. So organic you will study in class 9 or 10 times. So what to mean of organic is very very important. I will say to you what is the meaning of organic. Organic substances which means both of plants or animals, which means both plants and animals, which which will be made, which means both of plants and animals, because when we need some vitamins A, B, C, so most of the things we are getting made, preparation, manufactured by from plants or animals. For example, vitamin A, B, C, carrot, and different kinds of fruits are there, and that is called vitamins. In the next class, I will discuss about this vitamins classifications, their functions, what will be the deficiency of that disease. Next, our ingredients of the food is minerals. So the last and the final components of the food is mineral. So what is the mineral? Minerals are the substances. Minerals are the substances. Minerals, these are the elements of inorganic that may be that come inorganic. These are the elements of inorganic compounds. As inorganic compounds. So this is most important. First, vitamins I told organic, and this is inorganic. So inorganic means made from, sorry, inorganic means here come from soil and water. Soil and water is a food components that is obtained from the soil and water, that can be called minerals. But this can be absorbed. Absorbed by plants. These minerals can be absorbed by plants or can be eaten by animals. So today components of the food I have gave a brief discussions. Minerals. I giving some important parts. First points, ingredients, then definition of the nutrients, then carbohydrate, then protein, then fat, then vitamins, then minerals. Regarding this topic, I have given the detailed descriptions of these components of the food. If do you have any doubt regarding this topic or any matter related to that topic, you can comment on the comment box. That will be good for for suggestions to change to do something like make better quality of video. So in the next class, I am going to give you the classifications within the functions of these food components. Since this that will be better, we will discuss in the next class. Like, share to your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.